It's that time of year when people start thinking about making chicken wings because, well, there's this little game called the Super Bowl coming up. So we're going to be making some wings tomorrow. Today, we're going to get them seasoned up, get them in the refrigerator so they can air dry overnight. That really does help the skin not be rubbery when you cook it. And I'm really happy to use this rub. This is Mama's all-purpose rub from the Burn Shop. The Burn Shop is a company that I've purchased custom metalwork from before. They've done the Camp Chef pellet grill carbon steel grates that I have. They also make a Santa Maria attachment for the Weber kettle that I have, so really, really good work. And they just started putting out these rubs, so they sent me some to try, and I've tasted them all. This one is going to go fantastic on the wings. It has sort of a little bit of a smoky undertone to it. So let's check our wings here, see if we need to do any trimming or anything. This is a mix of flats and drummies. Let's get some of this excess fat off of here. And if we miss anything, it's not going to be the end of the world. And I'm just going to start hitting these with this rub, tossing them around. Yeah, I wish you could smell this rub right here because it's just even giving off that smokiness right now. That's looking good. Let's get these racked up. I like to use a rack like this because it keeps the wings up off of the bottom so they don't sit in any juices that come off. Is everybody gonna fit here? We'll make everybody fit. We got one straggler we gotta cram in here. You know, just gonna come right over here and get to know these guys. All right, that's looking good. This is going in the refrigerator overnight. Let the skin sort of dry out. Tomorrow, I'll see you out at the grill. All right, the Weber kettle is up to temp with the vortex in there. And when I say up to temp when I'm doing wings, I mean it's just hot. The lid temperature showing about 500 degrees. My top and bottom vents are wide open. I just want this hot. So let's go ahead and get our wings on. We're gonna work and get everybody to fit here. We'll get this little guy wedged in here. Gonna get a piece of white oak on here for some smoke. All right, we're gonna get the lid on and we're gonna come back in 15 minutes and give these a check. See you back here in 15. All right, we are 15 minutes into this wing cook. Let's take a look at our wings, see how they're doing. Looking good. We're starting to develop that sort of golden brown on the skin. Let's turn our piece of white oak here, see if we can bring it back to life. Let's do a quick temp check on our wings. I really want the finished temp to be somewhere 175, 180, so let's see where they are now. That's looking like 157. So I'm gonna let these go about 5 more minutes. I think that'll bring us to our finished temp that we want. I'll see you back here in 5. All right, we've been going a total of 20 minutes now. Let's check our wing. Get another temp check here. We are at 180. That is perfect for these wings. All right, let's get these off, get them inside so we can sauce them up. All right, so here are our wings, and I want to sauce them up. I'm going to use some Tingly Ted's Tingly sauce. This is actually a hot sauce that Ed Sheeran makes with someone apparently, but it's really good. I like it. So I just want to get some on here to toss. This is not the hot version. They make a hotter one. Lid on. I'm just going to shake it up. Oh, those smell good. All right, let's plate these up. So I have some pepper jelly there in a little container in the center, which is going to be terrific with these wings if you want to dip it. You could also mix it with a little bit of mayo or sour cream or something if you wanted to kind of break that heat down just a little bit, but it's more sweet than heat. You can find pepper jelly at most markets. I get mine at Trader Joe's. It's really good. All right, let's have a taste. Cheers. I love a good smoked wing. There's nothing like getting that little bit of extra flavor from the smoke on there. Really good. I'm just gonna take one of my drummies here and get a little pepper jelly just for an extra taste. That little bit of sweet heat there on the wings at the end is just a perfect way to finish these off.